How to create a Google Photos movie. First, you want to simply open the Google Photos application, and once you're inside your Google Photos, you want to simply tap on this create section over here at the bottom right of your screen. And by doing so, you'd be able to make your start over here. And here you want to simply click on photo to video, or you want to click on highlight video. However, you prefer, if you want to turn your photos into a movie, you want to simply tap on photos to videos, tap on try now, and you'd be able to select your photos over here. And by doing so, you'd be able to make any kinds of subtle movements, or if there are any kinds of movement that you want to add, you want to simply give your information over here. For example, I have tapped in make the sky move like time lapse, and you want to simply give it the prompt, and it will generate your photo to a video over here. And once you have done so, you'd be able to get access to that video as well. And once the video has been created, you'd be able to see that over here. You want to simply tap on save to save your video as well. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.